can see the light on this one here. So the middle thing doesn't light up. Maybe it's because it's a day driving light. But the middle thing doesn't. So what we have here, ID4, new concept, but those are all concept here. Looks nice too. Then we have the sedan they want to build. The back is okay, but the front looks a bit weird. Or is this the ID4? Maybe this was a different one. Ooh, there's another ID3 upstairs. God, they have a lot. This is cute. Bug right there. There we have the E-Up that will cost nothing. It's very interesting. Then it will white. So of course a way smaller car. The blue, the line, so you know it's electric. They do it on the e-Golf as well. It's a tiny car, but it's really okay with range of around 200 kilometers, if I'm right. Let's check it out. English. Let's go 83 horsepower. Where's my range? Technical data. 40 kilowatt charging. 75 kilowatt peak power. A 32.3 kilowatt hour battery. Where's the range? Am I blind? I'm blind. Standard equipment overview. Yeah, and it starts at 17,600. That's cool. I mean, look at that. It's nothing. Wow. Where's my range? I don't see a range. Can I scroll down? No. 260 WLTP, but 180. That's cute. And in yellow. Talking in here. Of course, way less interesting. Up is still a normal gasoline car, and they converted it to electric. Not like the ID3 that's from ground up new. Look at all the ID3s. Audi e-tron 55. Is this the one that I drove? I have no idea. I drove the dark, what is it? Dark gray. Color looks okay. So the different one that I had, I'm not an expert on the Audi e-tron because it's just not the car that I would ever get. It's way too expensive and SUV. I don't want an SUV. Never. And they have this unboxing e-tron thingy here. That's nice. See the battery pack. Smartphone interface, the disc brakes, charging thing, the lights, matrix, steering wheel, and there's half a car on top. The rims, oh, the home charger, and the car. Let's go to this e-tron. Ooh, that's a concept. Well, look at the normal. That's the e-tron I had. Yeah, the normal 55. Nothing changed. biggest tires ever. Ooh, look at that. That's futuristic. It is futuristic. Very futuristic. Oh, if you need that, this is all. Ooh, that's fancy schmancy. Yes, this one-seater. Who needs this? Answer: nobody. Ooh, the rims are nice. And there's a little tiny one. Also with big tires. Audi likes big tires. My God, those are big tires. Let's look at the Seat Elborn. I mean, it's right beside. Here's the ID3, and there in the front is the Elborn. And they don't let people sit in it. I'm guessing, of course, Volkswagen want to put out the ID3 first and then this way later. Why would they get the cheaper car that's based on the same model out earlier? It would be just stupid. The same color as it was in Switzerland. It doesn't have that hump, and a lot of people like it that it doesn't have that. Just opens up the hood a bit earlier. Ooh, I totally forgot about the ID3. No, front of course. Ooh, back is nice, even with little thingies. Look at that. Yeah, the front looks a tiny bit better, I think. It's a good looking car. I don't know about those things there when it comes to wind resistance, if this is not the best idea. Seat Elborn, same as the ID3, same platform, same battery, the 58 kilowatt hour battery net capacity, same motor, 150 kilowatt. It's the same car, just a different chassis around it. I'm guessing different features. So a lot of people are guessing, and me too, that this will be cheaper, but it will come out later. So I'm guessing Volkswagen will build the first edition and then build the small battery and then this. So this will take a while. I mean, even now today you can't sit in this. But what they did, they have already the interior in there, and they had it in Switzerland half a year ago, even a year ago already, how the interior looks like, and was exactly the same as the ID3. And it will also be built in the same factory. That's interesting. Let's go to the next car. They have this weird new electric car here. Study, I'm guessing. So SUV. High performance, that's what they say. The rims are interesting. Well, let's see what the front says. Perfect when they turn, I don't have to walk around. It's totally my thing. Yeah, the hood looks aggressive. Ooh. So here we have the Citygo IB, electric car from Skoda. 30 36.8 kilowatt hour battery, 260 kilometers of range. It's a city car. Will be cheap. Looks okay. Tiny, but come on, 200 kilometers WLTP range over. Let's look at it. Yeah, it's very basic. I mean, even the radio, no screen, and the dashboard also no screen, normal elements. It's a cheap car, but come on, electric, and the range is totally decent. Totally fine. Great idea. Cute. The windows in the back don't open the normal way. Oh god. Yeah, it's amazing. You have to pull. That's great. God, it's tiny. Look at it, what tiny footprint it has.